Alright, so I've got a bit of a picture going for part B. It says that D lies on AB in the ratio, so AD to AB, not AD to DB, so be careful there. AD to AB is 1 to 3, so if we were looking at this, so the AD is 1, and then, sorry, my thing's in the way, up there, so that bit's 1, but this bit's 3. So you can see that will be 2 there. So AD, we know, is 1 out of 3 of AB. So it's a fraction, a scalar of AB. All right, that might come in handy. Now, also E is the midpoint of CD. So E, let's put E there, and it's the midpoint. So that's handy. And we want position vectors of D and E. Let's do D first. So how do we get, let's say we'll put O over here for a second. How do we get OD? So that's the position vector. So to get OD, what are we going to do? Well, let's start at O, maybe go to A first. So OA, and then go AD. And we know AD is a third of AB. So OA, so we've already got A from previously. I'm just going to do it this way. And then now we've got a third of AB, and we've already got AB from when we did part A. So what did we have for that one? I think it was negative, where's AB? AB, negative 6, negative 18, and 6. So actually we could put a 3, divide by 3 and get rid of that, a third. Anyway, so what we're going to have is 9 minus 2. So that's 7, and I'll put it back in this form since that's the question. And then 7, negative 6, 18 on 3 is 6. So that's 1. And then negative 1 plus 6 on 3 is 2. So negative 1 plus 2 is 1 as well. So the position vector of D is 7i plus j plus k. And now we're going to look at the position vector of E. So remember E, okay, so we're looking for OE this time. So OE, which way are we going to go this time? Well, since D looked nice, I'm fairly sure I have it correctly. So I might go OD, otherwise I would go a different way perhaps, but I might go OD, DE. So O to D, and then D to E. Because I know OD is 711 now from what we just did, and I know DE is half of DC. Right, we're given that, it's just half of the whole DC. Now, do we have DC? Perhaps not. So, but we have C and we have D. So we know, I'll just do it straight here. I could probably do it on the side. So I'll take the D position, the C position, which is 5 minus 1, and subtract the C position, which is 7, 1, 1. Did I just say that wrong? So I'll take the C and subtract the D. Hopefully I said it right that time. Take the C and subtract the D. Okay, so what have we got there? We've got 7, 1, 1, and we're adding 5 minus 7 is minus 2, half of that is minus 1. 5 minus 1 is minus 6, half of that is minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, half of that is minus 1. Put that all together. 7 minus 1, so we've got 6 i's. 1 minus 3, minus 2 j's, and then 1 minus 1, so no k's. So the position vector of E is 6i minus 2j.